Hi, Yoselin. This is your W-2 form. This W-2 form is completed by your employer. But I want you to see how this form is completed. So we're going to act as if you are your employer, and we will complete this form together. So you receive this from your employer, and you receive it at the end of the year. Okay? So now, how does your employer complete it? First, he calculates your gross income. So let's you and I do that together. So your gross income is here. You get $8.50 an hour, you work 20 hours a week, and you work 52 weeks a year. So what would your gross income be under those circumstances? I'll put a calculator here, and we can do it together. So you get $8.50 an hour, 50 cents an hour, let's see if that worked, did, times the 20 hours you work a week, times the 52 weeks in a year, and voila, your gross salary, if you can see that, is $8,840. So let's put this here in box 1, $8,840. That is your gross salary, what you earned in a year. Next, you have to pay taxes on that. And a lot of people want your money. First, you have to pay federal tax. That is 10%. So let's see what is 10% of your gross income. So you know how to do that, I bet. You're going to take this times 0.1 and press equal. So your federal tax withheld is $884. Put that in box 2. $884. Okay? Next is Social Security tax. That goes in box 4. This is going to be 6.2%. 6.2% of your gross income. So let's clear our calculator. Let's go back to box 1 and get our gross income. $8,840 times 0.062. Did that show up? 0.062. This is what is the decimal equivalent of 6.2%. Press your equal. So the tax that you owe for Social Security is $540.08. That goes here. $548.08. Okay? Clear that. Next, you have to pay this Medicare tax. And the Medicare tax is 1.9%. Okay? So again, you take the 1.9% times your gross income. So your gross income is $8,840 times 0.019. Press your equal sign. So your your Medicare tax, is $167.96. Okay? Now we got one more tax. We're not done yet. We've got to pay the Illinois state tax. This is here in box 17. This is 5% of your gross. So, again, we're going to put in our gross income, which is $8,840 times 0.05, and that equals, so I'll put here, 0.05 is your tax rate, and your tax amount is $442. Okay? That is now your completed W-4 form. And again, the employer normally completes this form and sends it to you completed, but I wanted you to work on these fractions so you would understand how the W-2 form is completed by your boss. And note, you have 4 mandatory taxes you pay: your federal tax, your Social Security tax, Medicare tax, and state tax. Thanks for completing this form, Yoselin.